First thing you want to do is you simply want to open up your Apple Wallet app. Once in the app, you can simply click on the plus icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, where from here, all you're going to need to do is you click on the debit or credit card option here, no matter what card you are using. Once clicking on this, you simply want to click on the continue option here, where you'll be brought to the screen like so, where you can simply hold the card near your phone if the card allows you to do so, or you can enter details manually at the bottom of the screen, which we're going to do. Once doing that, you simply want to scan the card with the camera or enter in the card info on the back of the card, where you can actually just add the card like this. Now, if it doesn't allow you to add it on Apple Wallet, what we can do is we can actually get the secondary app called Klarna, which is basically an app that will keep track and allow you to easily access all of your cards just in a wallet on your phone. As you can see, we can simply click on the plus icon and you can actually search for a card or add other card, and you can actually scan it and it will actually be added to your phone just by clicking on enter manually, adding in the card's number, store name, and as you can see, we can simply scan this QR code and simply use our gift card wherever we'd like to using our phone. And you can see all you want to do to access them is you simply click on the card of your choice and you can actually scan it wherever you need to use it, just as an Apple Wallet equivalent.